Here is the latest. Still got to sand these guys, but this one is a little cone with a lapis lazuli and I believe angel ore quartz for that one. Here's another little heart. This is strawberry quartz. And then this one is Moonstone and angel ore quartz. Got the blue thing going on with that one. And then did a gold octopus. This one is honey calcite and smoky quartz. And then of course the gold tentacles with the copper plated BBs. And this pyramid, pink and purple, yeah, with lepidolite and rose quartz. Yeah, I love this one. Very nice, very nice.